The hurricane season has just sprung to life, and that spells trouble for Spain and Portugal. It will also have an effect on our weather in Britain and Ireland as well. So we'll take a look at that in just a moment. First of all, let's see what's happening around the Americas at the moment. We've got one storm that's a hurricane already, that's Umberto here. And then we've got another cluster of thunderstorms that's pulling itself together, and we're expecting that to become a named storm and be called Imelda as we head through the next day or so. Now, these two storms, being so close to each other, are likely to circle around each other. It's an effect called the Fujiwara effect, and that makes it really difficult for forecasters to pinpoint exactly where these storms are going to go. So that means our long-range forecast in Britain and Ireland is likely to change as we head through the next few days. Now, we've also got the remains of another storm. This is Gabrielle, used to be a hurricane. It's already caused some rather significant damage over parts of the Azores, and now it's working its way towards Spain and Portugal. So later on Saturday and Sunday, it is looking very wet, very windy, and some really damaging waves are expected as well. But let me run that sequence again, and this time, instead of looking at Gabrielle, look at the rain that's spreading up to the north. That's what's going to affect Britain and Ireland as we head through Saturday and into Sunday. But after that, look at this, an area of high pressure is sneaking its way up towards us, so the weather should begin to calm down again. So don't forget to like and subscribe as we take a look at the weather for this weekend in a little bit more detail. And starting with Saturday, the brightest weather on Saturday, first thing, is likely to be across central and eastern areas. It will be chilly, and there could also be some patches of mist and fog around first thing as well. Out towards the west, more cloud here and a rather brisk wind for some places as well, and some rather wet weather. Now, this area of rain is going to grind to a halt in the north as we head through Saturday. So some of us here are going to see some heavy rain. There could be some disruption. But further south, the rain will be slightly lighter and more patchy and will begin to pull away towards the east. So by first thing on Sunday then, very wet still in the north, but further south, just a few patches of rain here and there. This gradually beginning to break up during the day. And as it does so, things will get a little bit brighter, starting in the west, and that's spreading its way eastwards, and we'll just see a handful of showers at times. So many of us will have a fine end to the weekend at least. Then as we head into Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday are all looking fairly fine for many parts of Britain. We should see some sunshine at times, but also quite a good deal of cloud around as well. It'll be wetter, cloudier and windier up towards the northwest. And then after that, of course, we've got the problem of the hurricanes and what that's going to cause for our weather. So the forecast for the long range is likely to be a little bit changeable as we head through the next few days.